Hi video creators, welcome to our channel. When you're shooting outdoors, strangers may inadvertently enter the picture. Then you may need to mosaic or blur their faces. This video shows you how to deal with these situations. Let's right in. The official link is placed in the description. Once you launch the software, go to the edit and you will find the AI face blur. Then import your video. Select the video and open it. The software would analyze people's movement and automatically track the face. It would take a little time, which depends on the length of the video. You can hide this program and handle other tasks first. When it's done, it will pop up in the computer. Now we have two boxes on these girls' faces. Click the boxes and the blur effect will apply to the face. And click again, the box appears and it will cancel the effect. On the right side, you can change the degree of the blur. Also, you can try the stickers below, which offers lots of fun. You can select the sticker you like. When you confirm the effect, you can check the file location and export your video with face blur. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and the official link has placed in the description. You can download it at your convenience. Hope you enjoy. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned and see you next.